I'm Shep Bryan with Maximum Security. We've had a store in Santa Ana for 25 years now. We have a lot of different types of safes and have different brands of digital lock that we use. The Winchester gun safe that I'm in front of right now has an S&G 6120 digital lock on it. That's one of the most popular and successful locks that's on the marketplace today. From time to time, you're going to need to replace the 9-volt battery that's in it. It's located in a trap door at the base of the keypad. Swing the trap door to the left, gain access to this battery. Go and buy a brand new Duracell or Energizer battery from a store that sells a lot of them. Replace it. Once you've replaced it and connected it to the outlet, slip it back up into the trap door and enter your existing code, which is retained in the static memory inside the safe in the lock, and you're back in business. It's as simple as that.